Okay, this is 308 South Pecan, Bells, Texas, which you cannot really get a great view of the home because of the tree that's in the front yard. Got Johnny Buys Houses out here sign. This is the driveway that is like a little ditch, and you cannot like pull up here, without probably bottoming out your car. I mean, this is the rest of the driveway right here. That's rock, dirt, and where I'm parked, is a actually a second lot that this lady owns. So this is not the lot that is included with the property. But this over here, there's like a mobile home, like house that's right next door. Getting the church, the Methodist church, right across the street. As you can tell, this is a very busy highway that's right out here in front. That's called Pecan Street, but it's actually Highway 69. So, as you can also tell, there is a bunch of junk in this garage. And out here in this garage, in the storeroom that I'm going to show you, there is the breaker box that does not have a, it doesn't have a door for it. Sorry about that. But yes, I mean, all this stuff has to be removed. As you can tell, there is, the cracking, like I said, and, broke off steps. And there was actually a garage door opener, which there's no longer a garage door. Sorry. Okay, so we are going to walk around the garage where there is debris that you can see. That's all along the garage. And here's their meter box. It's out here. Now we're at the back of the garage, and here is that door that we're talking about, the storm door that they got laying out here with the broken glass out of it. And the side of the house where that particle board like siding is breaking off. And there's the couch. There's the tree that is overlaying on the house. Some of the branches are, there's a window unit. And where this fence is right here is where this is the lot area. This broken fence is on the right hand side. There's only a part of a fence put up, and as well as there's a storage shed out back that does not have the actual, the left side of it is like tore up. There's graffiti on the inside, 903, And it does actually have a standing wall on the other side. Now I'm walking back up to the front part of the house to do a walkthrough video. There is like some holes in the ground. Does have a walkway up to the porch with some stones out there. The porch looks all right, but you know, the old screens on the house. Tour. 308 some. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so let me get this. I'm standing over here by the front door, and this is what I'm able to get of the living room. Oh, sitting over here in the corner, and it has like a light tannish brown paint, and has faith, hope, and love that is stenciled up there. That's leading to the dining room area. Come over here, and I will get over here on this other wall, and I will show you what this living room has all in it. And it has a actual guitar that somebody stenciled that says family, which is kind of cool. Now this house does have heat. That's central heat. This is the dining room area. Here has a little chandelier and some stuff that needs to be removed, that where you can see that there is a bar area, and that's, you're seeing your kitchen. Here is the washer and dryer connection that's located right off the kitchen. It's not in another room, it's just right there. And here you're seeing your cabinets. Got your refrigerator there, the